Assalamualaikum everyone. So in the last video we discussed task number 2, and in task number 2 you could have various type of essays. In the last class we discussed about agree or disagree essay. Now we will be discussing on discussion sample. So the question would say that okay, discuss this. So let's see if we could do this. Now let's read the question. Some people think that students who achieve the best academic results, so students who are A-star students or distinction holder students, should be awarded. Uh, Others believe it is more important to reward students who show improvement. So a student who used to get a D has now achieved a B, so he should be rewarded more rather than a A-star distinction holder. So this is a debate. Now, discuss both views and give your opinion. So this is, I think, one of the easiest essay that you could ever face, right? Because the first paragraph is always about introduction. What do you do in introduction? In the last video, I explained in the task number 1 video, I explained the introduction is just the paraphrasing, right? Your own words for the question. Now, what is it? It is often argued that pupils with the highest grade should be honored, while others feel those who improve the most should be commended. So he's not telling anything which is new. It's just the question that I just read, right? So they're just paraphrasing it. This essay will discuss, right? Discuss is the key word here. Will discuss both point of view and argue that who attained the highest mark should get the reward, followed by a reasoned conclusion. So we would in the first paragraph introduction paraphrasing the question. Second paragraph, you would be discussing the first idea that students with the best academic result, A-star holder, distinction holders should be awarded. And the third paragraph, you will talk about the people who, what was the second point? Others believe it is important to reward students who show improvement. So first paragraph, introduction. Second paragraph, who achieve good academic result. Third paragraph, important to reward students who show improvement. So just like that. And then fourth paragraph about summary. First paragraph was intro. Second paragraph is about what? About academic results. Let's read it. Many support the view that only the top students should get recognition in form of rewards. They think that this is only fair and excellence and hard work should be recognized. This essay agrees with this view because it incentivizes learners to strive to be the best and fosters healthy competition. Now, with all that, they're discussing the first point, which the person asked that some people think that students who achieve the best academic results should be rewarded, right? So he's discussing that. And then he's also giving the example. Giving example is like you impress the examiner, right? So giving examples in essays are the key to, good band, 8 band, 8.5 band, perfect. For example, in the United Kingdom, top universities like Oxford and Cambridge, many professors publish exam results publicly to increase motivation, right? So he's agreeing that, okay, you get a star, you get a distinction, you should be rewarded, right? If you're improving or not, that does not matter. What matters is you get a good result, you get a reward. Now the third point, he would be explaining that no, getting good result does not matter, but improving yourself matters. So in third, he's writing alternatively, you can write, however, uh, these connection words are quite important. Others advocate commending those who develop the most over a term or school year. They believe that this encourages those who are closer to the bottom of the class to get better and takes into account that not everyone can be the top of the class. So they are mainly focusing on the student who improves their grade rather than getting a good grade, right? So they're just focusing on that part, on the second part of the question, right? Then in summary, he's saying although there are strong arguments to recognize students for improving, so they are going with the writer of this question is saying that think that this part is more important, that we should be awarding students with those who improve rather than just getting a good result. So I'm just revising it for one time. The first paragraph, introduction paragraph. Second paragraph, talking about the first point. Third paragraph, talking about the second point. Fourth paragraph, conclusion that I think this is better. Okay, so this is how you would be dealing with the discussion person. Very, very, very easy. Thanks so much. Bye bye.